Hey, this is Dave, again at AFX Search, licensed private investigators. One of the things we're finding for an asset strategy is the use of LLCs combined with real estate for placement of capital. In New York City, there's a lot of high-profile signature buildings that have multiple tenants in the condominium units that are owned by LLCs. And what's been discovered is these LLCs are actually placement vehicles for capital for overseas investors, normally people who want to have their assets not be traceable. If you purchase securities, or if you purchase vehicles, even if you purchase real estate directly, the funds and the ownership of those asset classes are registered. So by having an LLC be the designated titled owner of a condominium unit or commercial real estate, the money can flow in and out of the LLC without triggering any other title event on the real estate. So that LLC could have a named member that could be an attorney, it could be a trust, it could be another LLC that's a shell company, and the ownership can be layered deep to where even the registered agent could just be a hired contractor to be the registered agent for that company. By flowing the funds in and out of this LLC, the asset holder can upgrade or downgrade their asset allocation to that piece of real estate at whim without having to register any new title event. And the ownership can be very difficult to unwind. And one of the things we look at in asset discovery and asset recovery is digging down through the layers of the holdings of this LLC. Is it held by another LLC? Are there any common elements for the names on that company? For example, the attorneys that created it. Is that attorney seen elsewhere in the corporate filings of the subject, or are there other corporations they found? Who's the registered agent for the company and where do they live? Who's paying the taxes? Is there insurance on the unit? Those are the kind of things that can be useful to discover the beneficiary owners of that LLC and effectively of that real estate. In some cases, the real estate is never occupied or visited by the asset holder. It's just used as a vehicle to hold those funds. Sometimes it's a rental property, sometimes it's even rented on short-term basis using Airbnb or some other vacation rental platform. But even by tracing the money that comes from those rentals, what accounts they go into, who manages those rentals, what insurance is covering those rentals, that may be another way to pierce through those layers of concealment to see who the asset holder is. If you have questions about asset recovery or discovering who might be holding a piece of real estate, you can reach us at our website at afxsearch.com.